This guy's got a coach. Watch out. I'm on your left, yeah. Stay in your fucking lane. The Pentagon. Welcome to South Carolina. Welcome to Georgia. Of course I get back into Florida. I mean, I've been in Florida for a little while now. I'm halfway through, but I already got wet twice. But this one's gonna be a heavy storm. Anyways, this trip has been amazing. I'm probably putting my life at risk right now with my bike, but I'll show you pictures later. Anyways, I'm gonna shut my camera off, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.